Welcome, welcome, welcome. So, why should you learn Jamaican patois? Because Jamaican patois is a cool language to learn. And, well, apart from that, also, if you're a language enthusiast, if you're a cultural enthusiast, if you have Jamaican friends, if you just love Jamaican culture, or if you're planning a trip to Jamaica, you should learn Jamaican patois. Subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so that you know when I upload a new video. For more about Jamaican culture, Jamaican patois, Jamaican proverbs, some good Jamaican wisdom, and all kind of nice things about Jamaica. And let's chat patois together.